Now we are trying to develop an online enrollment application. So in this case, a small private school in your area would like to use technology to provide access to information and resources previously recorded only on paper. Schools then ask you to compile a list of features that students would find useful if the students creates a portal online. Now we will try to evaluate if what are the school administrations asked for the features of the software that we are going to do or to create. So this is the we are going to add some information. First is to determine what information should be made available to students, and second is to create a list of functionalities that teachers, students, and parents should be able to perform online. Develop a diagram that will represent the concept of the software application. You may use diagram application or draw it manually like this. The flow chart, data flow diagram, and state transition diagram should be included. And the fourth is outline and initial requirement specification using the template provided. Design a simple interface design. You may use the gamification or draw it manually. So now we'll discuss the now. Okay, let's going to this is the first one. Determine what information should be available to students. Maybe the grades, the assessments, the transcript of records, or the announcements. So create a list of functionalities that teacher, students, and parents should be able to perform online. For the students, they can view grades, they can view assessments, can request the documents, receive announcements. And for teachers, they can provide grade to the students, and also they can create activities in every subjects. Now we can develop diagrams that represent the concept of software application. So this is our flow chart. You can see in this section we have login details. If that login is successful, and they can go to the dashboard of the application, and they can access grades and assessment also, and they can request a document, and then if they can choose what type of document they can request, and if that request was approved, and that's the end. And this is our flow chart, data flow diagram. For the students, they can request or accept requests. We can view grades and generate grade, and also the teacher, and that is invite the data storage here, and assessments, and the document request. That's the administrator that accept or approve the request. So design is simple interface diagram. So this is our interface. Okay, so interface natin, so ito yung dashboard. Okay, yung dashboard natin, yan, login, grades, assessment, announcement, back to dashboard again. So yan, so okay, so in our requirements document template, for the purpose, this software could called e-portal, allowing students to get information from the school directly through this application. The effort to provide easy access to the resources of the school. By this means, the students can access more conveniently using web app or a mobile application. For the scope, the portal is capable of providing relevant data for the students, parents, and teachers. This application is created for the convenience and easily access. E-portal have many features and students could use to do what they need, and the school aims to provide access for the students online, and students are now no longer to go to school. We have the reference for the grades or the initial data that we are going to present. For software functionalities, there is grades, assessments, prospectus, print documents, and requests, the announcement or events, the user account management. For our user characteristics, the students can create an account if they enrolled CGC. The student is also to access the grade, assessment, announcements. Teacher can provide grade data for the students only. Administrative can approve students' account for verification review. If the students are enrolled, it can also manage the system if what we want to improve. For our operating environment, the environment in which system software module or component will be also included. So this is our software environment, platform, the information, or maybe you can use mobile devices. Functional requirements, list of features for each of them. Login, it allows users to access a approved account. Dashboard can view the relevant information that user can view directly with buttons. Grade, it view grades In the developmental areas, users can access their credential matter, and students allows to send requests or accept requests. The school announcement that the school can disseminate information that students can be informed about the events in school. Forum discussion topics or issues that raised by different students. Search button can find relevant content. Another internal interface requirements. Students portal allows other systems to connect via API integration. The user interface is very user-friendly when it comes to access data from the other system. So that's the end of